Welcome to ASEAN MedTech Insights. A landmark development unfolded last week in Southeast Asia's medical device landscape. On February 1, 2026, the Malaysian Medical Device Authority and the Thai FDA officially launched a joint regulatory reliance pilot program. This initiative is designed to be a game changer, creating a new, fast-track pathway for medical devices between the two countries. For medtech companies, this opens up a strategic opportunity to streamline market access and treat these two key ASEAN markets as a more unified bloc. The program is set to run for a 3-month period, creating a sense of urgency and a window for proactive manufacturers to gain a first-mover advantage. The core promise is simple yet powerful. If your medical device has already secured approval from Malaysia's MDA, you can now use that approval as a basis for an expedited registration process in Thailand, and vice versa. This has the potential to cut market entry timelines from over a year down to just a few months. It directly addresses one of the biggest challenges for medtech firms, which is the high cost and long duration of navigating each ASEAN country's unique regulatory requirements. The pilot is initially focused on medium-risk devices, specifically Class B and C devices, which covers a vast range of products, from diagnostic equipment to patient monitoring systems. However, the word reliance does not mean zero effort. This is where the real challenge lies. Manufacturers must prepare a supplementary dossier that bridges the specific regulatory gaps between the two nations. For example, let's consider a real-world scenario. An Australian company with a Class C patient monitoring system already approved in Malaysia decides to leverage this pilot program. They submit their Malaysian technical file to the Thai FDA, but the application gets delayed. The reason is that the Thai FDA requires specific local usability and performance data that was not a requirement for the initial Malaysian submission. The company must now race against time to generate this new evidence before the 3-month pilot window closes. This case highlights the critical nuance of the program. Success depends on a deep understanding of the subtle but significant differences in documentation, labeling, and local testing requirements. This pilot is more than just a collaboration between two countries. It is a crucial test case for the long-awaited ASEAN Medical Device Directive, or AMDD. If successful, this model of bilateral reliance could be expanded to include other major players like Vietnam or Indonesia. This would represent a monumental step toward the regulatory harmonization that the industry has been anticipating for years. The Malaysia-Thailand pilot is a strategic opportunity, but navigating its complexities requires expert guidance. For companies looking to leverage this new pathway and understand the specific dossier requirements for both markets, our team at Chen-Global is ready to assist. Feel free to contact us by email or visit our website.